Hi, this is Russell Stannard from teachertrainingvideos.com. I just want to tell you about the third course that is a collaboration between Teacher Training Videos and NILE, the Norwich Institute for Language Education. We've built a course that's turned out to be very popular, and I'm going to show you in a minute just some of the feedback that we've had on the course. It's called Technologies and Approaches to Blended, Hybrid and Online Teaching. And what it really tries to do is take you through some of the key technologies that are being used in the delivery of different kind of blends of learning or even fully online learning. Now, the course has also got a couple of really interesting elements. It works with an e-portfolio. So basically, each week you work through some content. There's a webinar at the beginning of each week. Then you work through some content, you do some tasks, and you add those tasks into your e-portfolio so that you've got a complete record of everything that you've done on the course, either in the group situations or even in the live sessions or sometimes individually. As I've said, the course has proved to be really popular, and what I'm going to do now is just show you on the screen some of the feedback we've had over the last 2 or 3 repetitions of the course, and then afterwards I'm actually going to talk you through a little bit the course content and actually show you what the course looks like. So this is the latest iteration of the course. We're currently running a course with the British Council, and the way the course works is obviously there's an introductory video, and then there are a total of 6 units, and each unit begins with a webinar, obviously connected to the content of the unit. Sometimes during the live sessions, during the webinars, we do activities that we then add into our e-portfolio, and then the other time that you will add things into your e-portfolio is during the activities that you have to do in each unit. So we start with a webinar, and then you obviously would go to week 1. The way the content is organized is it's very much supported by video. So you've got some introductory material, but straight away you'll see that there's lots of use of video to introduce the topics, but also to show you exactly how to do the tasks. So you need to work through the material, and then at the end of each unit there is a task or some tasks to do. It's normally more than one task, and all of the different tasks are added into the e-portfolio so that the e-portfolio builds up to be a complete record of your work during the course. Now, each week when you do the tasks, you're also expected to do or answer some reflective questions. So it's every week, it's add the different elements into your e-portfolio as you work through the material, and then add your reflections. Now, we give you feedback at 2 key points. One at the end of unit 3. So once unit 3 is finished, you get feedback on your e-portfolio, and again at the end of the course. So here we can see an example of an e-portfolio that a teacher's produced. Each week, as they work through the content, the teachers are expected to add the different activities that they do into their portfolio as evidence of their learning. That includes things like word walls and Google Slides and Google Docs and Padlets and the use of screencast video, for example. So a whole range of different activities, all based around different ways of working with blended, hybrid and online teaching and learning. And then the other thing that the teachers are expected to do each week is to write up their reflections. They're given specific questions, and then they have to obviously write up their answers to those questions in their e-portfolio, and most of these questions are around how they could apply the different technologies and ideas in their own teaching and learning. If you want to find out more about the course, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com and you can click here on the advert that's on the front page. It will tell you when the next course is running, how much it's going to cost, etc. The courses are very popular and normally they are booked up 2 or 3 months in advance. You can also, of course, go straight to the NILE website for the same information, and I will provide that in the link below in the description. Thank you very much.